Hello everyone, welcome to Lifestyle. Today I am going to make fuchka, that is Kolkata style pani puri or golgappa. So let's get started. To make this, first we need 1 cup of suji or rava. Then goes 1/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Now I am adding salt according to taste. And then add 1 teaspoon of refined oil. Now mix it well. So mixing is done. Now add water little by little. I use total half cup of warm water. Kneading dough well for 3 to 4 minutes and add water as required little by little. But overall amount of water is half cup. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of refined oil again. And then kneading the dough for a few seconds. Dough should not be too soft or not too stiff, but stiff dough is needed. Now grease little bit of oil over the dough and rest it for 30 minutes. Always keep the dough covered. During this time, I am going to make tetul jol or water for fuchka and the aloo. So I use soaked chana and matar. I soaked them overnight and now I am going to boil it. Now I am adding salt to taste. Then goes green chilies. I am going to boil it on high flame. Now I am adding little bit of refined oil to boil it faster. And now I am going to cover this for 10 minutes. Keep the flame high. Now on another side I am going to roast the masala. So I heated a tawa and add 1 tablespoon of dhania or coriander seeds. Roast it well on low flame. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Roast them well and continuously stir it, otherwise masala gets burned. Now time to grind the roasted masala. Our masala is ready now. Now pour the masala on a bowl and keep it covered. Now I am going to check our chana and matar. So I can mash it easily. So it's perfectly boiled. Now turn off the gas and put it in a bowl. Now to make the tamarind water or tetul jol, first you need imli or tetul. We are going to make a pulp of it. So I add little bit of water and mash it. Our tamarind pulp is ready now. Now in a bowl I am going to add 1 glass of water. Then I am going to add 5 tablespoons of tamarind pulp or imlika pulp. Now I am going to add chopped dhania. Mix well. Now time to add the roasted masala. I am adding 1 tablespoon of roasted masala. Now I am adding rock salt or pink salt according to taste. Mix them well. Now I am going to use Gondhoraj Lebu. It's very aromatic. It gives a nice flavor to the water. Give a quick mix now. So our tetul jol or water for fuchka is ready. Now time to make the aloo. In a bowl, I take boiled potatoes, add salt to taste on it, and mash potatoes well. Our potato is mashed. Now time to add masala. I use 1 tablespoon of roasted masala. Now I'm adding boiled chana and mutton along with chili. Now I'm adding water that I made before. Here I add 3 large spoons of water. Now mix them together and mash the chili. And our aloo for fuchka is done. Now time to check our dough, which is rest for 30 minutes. So our dough is ready to divide. Divide into 2 parts and make dough balls. Now time to roll it. Sprinkle little maida or all-purpose flour and rolling now. Now I am using small katori to cut puris. Take out the sides and reuse them for rolling. Now I am going to show you the thickness of the puri. Now time to fry our puris. So turn on the gas and place the kadhai over the gas. Now time to add oil. I use refined oil. Spread oil over the kadhai. Keep the heat on medium flame. Oil is heated now. Time to add puris. Press puri gently to puff up. Do not add more than 4 puris at a time. Fry them till golden brown on medium flame. Likewise, I am frying all puris on medium flame. Our fuchka is ready to serve now. Serve with aloo and tetul jol or imli ka pani. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.